Good evening, guys. Welcome to Shiva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. Today, in this video, we will discuss important military exercises from January to May month. Guys, in this military exercise, there are mainly three important questions asked. One is military exercise name, and the other one is which two countries participated in that military exercise, and the third one is the military exercise held in which city. So these three important questions are asked in military exercise. So let's start today's session. First question: which two countries participated in the naval exercise named Nazim al-Bahar that held in Goa recently? So the answer is India and Oman. So Nazim al-Bahar is the naval exercise of India and Oman. In this year, this is held in Goa state. So the capital of Oman is Muscat and the currency is Omani Rial, and the present CM of Goa is Pramod Sawant and the governor is Satyapal Malik. Please remember this all static things. Next question: name the city that will host International Naval Exercise Milan in March 2020 with the theme Synergy Across the Seas. So answer is Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So this year the Milan Naval Exercise is hosted by Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. The present CM of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy and the governor is Bishwabhushan Harichandan. He is the oldest governor in our country. Please remember this. Next question: which city will host 19th edition of annual joint exercise Sahayog Kaizen that is participated by Japan and India? So the answer is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So Sahayog Kaizen, it is the 19th edition of annual joint exercise of Japan and India countries, which is hosted by Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The capital of Japan is Tokyo and the currency is Japanese yen, and the present CM of Tamil Nadu is Edappadi K. Palaniswamy and the governor is Banwarilal Purohit. Next question: name the largest airborne exercise conducted by Indian Army in the Northeastern Theatre recently, and the answer is Winged Rider. So Winged Rider, the airborne exercise which is conducted by our Indian Army. So present 28th Chief of Army Staff is Manoj Mukund Narwane. 28th Chief of Army Staff is Manoj Mukund Narwane, and every year we celebrated Army Day on January 15. Remember, January 15 is Army Day. Next question: where is the 9th edition of Indo-Bangladesh military exercise Sampriti 9 going to be conducted at in the month Feb 2020? And the answer is Umroi, Meghalaya. So Sampriti 9, it is the military exercise of India and Bangladesh which is hosted by Umroi, Meghalaya. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka and the currency is Taka. Present CM of Meghalaya is Konad Sangma and the governor is Tathagata Rai. Next question: Indian Navy conducted 5-day coastal exercise Malta Abhiyan in which Indian state? So answer is West Bengal. So Indian Navy conducted coastal security exercise which is named as Malta Abhiyan in Kolkata, West Bengal. The present 24th Navy Chief is Admiral Karambir Singh, and every year we celebrated Navy Day on December 4. Army Day is January 15 and Navy Day is December 4. Please remember this. Next question: the 5th edition of Indradhanush 5 2020 held in Hindon, Uttar Pradesh. The Indradhanush is the air exercise between India and which country? Answer is United Kingdom. So the Indradhanush 5 is the exercise of India and United Kingdom. It is the air exercise which is held in Hindon, Uttar Pradesh. The capital of United Kingdom is London and the currency is pound sterling. The present CM of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and the governor is Anandibin Patel. Next question. Indian Coast Guard 9th edition of rescue exercise SAREX 2019 conducted at which Indian state? The theme of this exercise is HUMSAR. The full form of HUMSAR is Harmonization Maritime and Aeronautical Search and Rescue. Harmonization of Maritime and Aeronautical Search and Rescue. It is held in Goa. So the answer is Goa. So Indian Coastal Guard conducted SAREX 2019 9th edition in Goa. The present CM of Goa is Pramod Sawant and the governor is Satyapal Malik. Next question. Native Fury is the military exercise between United States and which other country? The answer is UAE. So Native Fury is the military exercise of US and UAE. UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. The capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi and the currency is UAE dirham. Please remember, currency is UAE dirham. Next question. Multilateral Combat Military Exercise Pitch Black 2020 was cancelled. The Pitch Black is conducted by Royal Air Force of which country? So the answer is Australia. So every year Australia conducted military exercise Pitch Black 2020. This year it is cancelled due to COVID-19 pandemic. So this year this exercise is not conducted by Australia. So the capital of Australia is Canberra and the currency is dollar. Next question. The 5th edition of Ajay Warrior which is held in United Kingdom. Ajay Warrior is the exercise between India and which country? So the answer is UK. So Ajay Warrior is the exercise of India and UK countries which is held in UK. The capital of UK is London and the currency is pound sterling. So Ajay Warrior and Indradhanush, these two are conducted by UK. Indradhanush is conducted in Uttar Pradesh and Ajay Warrior is conducted in UK. Please remember, don't confuse. So these are the important military exercises which are conducted in January to May month. Guys, in this our channel we already uploaded March, April, May month current affairs and important awards and honors from January to May and states and CMs and governors. So please visit our channel once and watch that videos which are very useful for all competitive exams. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our channel. Thank you for watching the video.